Hi folks, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. We are now ready to move into the connective tissues. And when we talk about the different type of connective tissues, the connective tissues are classified into three groups: connective tissue proper, fluid connective tissues, and supporting connective tissues. We're going to start with connective tissue proper connective tissues, and those are going to connect and protect. Our first connective tissue proper tissue is going to be areolar connective tissue. And you might see me write CT for connective tissue a lot just to make things quick and easy. Connective tissue is going to be different from epithelial tissue in a lot of different ways. But one of the ways is we don't see the cellularity in connective tissue like we did in epithelial tissue. Remember, epithelial tissue is lots and lots of cells. When we're taking a look at connective tissue, we will still see cells, yes, they will still be present. So we're still going to have cells, but we're going to have cells in something known as a matrix. And the matrix is going to have special protein fibers, extracellular protein fibers. It's going to have a fluid known as ground substance. And we're going to pick out some of the important features of the matrix in some of our connective tissues that we will look at. For areolar connective tissue, the cells that stand out are known as fibroblasts. And we can see again the nucleus. It's a great way to get our bearings, is to find the nucleus of a cell. And you can see that they're kind of scattered throughout this connective tissue. Then we have two kinds of fibers. We have elastic fibers and we have collagen fibers. These thicker, kind of lightish pink colored fibers, and I'm outlining one here. Those are the collagen fibers. Again, if I just outline the light pinkish looking, kind of thicker fibers, those are going to be our collagen fibers. And then we have these thinner, darker fibers, and those are going to be the elastic fibers. And I think this tissue looks just kind of like a hot mess. The cells are scattered everywhere. The fibers are just going every which way. And that's how I always like to identify this tissue. I call it the hot mess tissue. This areolar connective tissue, it's going to be found in some different places in the body. We will go ahead and we will see it kind of used as like a filler in the body, so it fills spaces between organs. It connects epithelial tissue to deeper tissues. Remember, connect and protect are the connective tissue proper, and this is that classification of tissue. We also see it between muscles, and it functions to cushion organs, allow for independent movement between tissues, and it also provides nutrients for epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue is avascular, it doesn't have any blood vessels. It relies on all of its oxygen and nutrients from underlying connective tissue.